Irate mob has foiled police attempt to arrest independent candidate of Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency Moirangthem Totomsana. The incident took place around 7 p.m. last night. Combined team of Imphal East, Imphal West and Thoubal district police, along with huge number of police personnel led by additional SP, stormed the residence of Totomsana 52, son of late M. Tombiaima of Pujari Chithek, Irate Part 2. Tension gripped after supporters and localities of Totomsana stopped the police from arresting him. However, police convinced the public that they came to summon and not to arrest him. Large number of people pushed the police team at Irate police station. The irate public continued to raise slogans not to arrest Totomsana till 10 p.m. and prevented the police team from moving out of the police station, thus leading to failure of his arrest. Later, after agreement made between locals and police, the team were allowed to move safely from the station. On the other hand, no reports of untoward incidents were made in yesterday's protest. It may be mentioned that according to instruction of DEO DC Imphal East, Imphal West District Police had registered an FIR against Totomsana for his derogatory speech on Chief Minister during SKTV's The Candidates program held this month, following which the police attempted to arrest Totomsana. Meanwhile, additional Sessions Judge Fast Track Court has accepted the anticipatory bail submitted by Totomsana yesterday.